Hey guys, so the most awaited GATE Civil Engineering test series is available now with APACD. So not just the test series, we have one more series known as the Solve series. So I'll explain shortly about it. I'll just take a little bit of your time. All the important links I'm putting in the description. There's a limited offer going on. Go ahead and enroll as soon as possible. So first I'll talk about the GATE Civil Engineering test series and then I'll move on to the Solve series. So this GATE Civil Engineering test series. So here you get to tackle 700 plus new questions. So you get access to subject tests and you get access to multi-subject test, you get access to full-length test, and there is also a special GATE warm-up test. And all this test will be released as per schedule. The schedule also I have given in the course description, which you can see right here. You can take the test anytime you want before GATE exam, and you can attempt the test both in app and in desktop also. Desktop, I mean laptop or PC. You can just log into our website and take the test. And if you have an Android mobile, download our app APCD. From there also you can attempt the test. So these tests have detailed explanation, and you will also get a report card of your performance for each and every test. So what do I mean by this report card? You will get to do an in-depth analysis. So first you can do this accuracy analysis, how much accurate you are, and you can also get to know the time analysis, like how much time you have spent, how much time you have spent on correct answers, incorrect answers, skipped. So this will give you an analysis on how you can improve your score, and also you will get a score analysis, and then you will also have a question based analysis, like how much time you took for this particular question, did you get it right, and obviously you will get the leaderboard as well. APACD is known to stand out for the type of questions we ask. It is completely in line with the GATE pattern and simulate GATE exam as closely as possible. Even the toppers, like who came in top 100 rank in GATE, have used our test series, and it has really helped them to test their knowledge and eventually improve their score. There's a limited offer, like I told you, there's a limited offer going on. So go ahead and enroll as soon as possible. This is really going to help you if you are a GATE civil aspirant. And like I told you, there is one more. So that is known as the GATE CE Solve series. So what do you get in the Solve series? So you get 5 things. I'll explain about them. One is you will get the GATE Civil Engineering test series, which I just explained. But apart from that, what do you get? You get concept through questions. This will strengthen your question solving skills, especially commonly asked GATE question. So you will improve your application skills in GATE questions. There will be 60 CTQ videos in this course. Okay, so that is one thing. So you got the test series, you got the CTQs, and one more important part, which is your improved score series. So that is what is the unique feature of this Solve series. So what do you get in that? So one is you will get guidance videos to improve your score. Some of you, even after completing the syllabus, something will stop you from solving questions. You won't be able to solve questions. So how to overcome that? So there'll be, like, we'll give you 2 approaches to overcome that, and how to avoid silly mistake, how to use virtual calculator. So all these lessons will be a part of this improved score guidance. This will definitely help you when you are getting stuck, and how to make the most out of your preparation. Apart from that, you will have must solve PYQ test. So these are PYQs which are commonly asked in GATE, and you need to know it for sure. So once you complete the syllabus, if you attempt it, so that will give you the confidence also. And apart from that, we have one more unique feature, which is known as the challenging test. Okay, so there will be just 10 challenging tests, but in this you can think more like an advanced test. So these are tests which more than 50% go wrong, or more than 70% skip such questions. So if you are already prepared, and you want to reach the next level. So that is when you have to take this challenging test. And even in this, if you're doing well, you're definitely going to get a top rank in GATE. So that is all about the solve series. So like I told you, you get 5 things. One is your GATE Civil Engineering test series. You get concept through questions, 60 concept through questions. You get improve score guidance videos to improve your score. Then you also have must solve PYQs, and you have challenging tests. So for this also there is a limited offer going on. Go ahead and enroll as soon as possible. If you are a GATE aspirant, I would definitely recommend you this solve series as well. And if you are an environmental science aspirant, there is a test series we have launched for that as well. I wish you best of luck for all the GATE aspirants. Test series is a very important tool in your preparation. It is not just to test your knowledge, but also to analyze it, find your mistakes and improve on what you have prepared.